When it comes to high-quality cookware, KitchenAid has always been a brand that homeowners trust. From kitchen mixers to high-performance cookware, KitchenAid consistently delivers products that make cooking more enjoyable. This KitchenAid stainless steel stockpot with lid, 8-quart, is no exception. This stockpot is designed to elevate your cooking experience, allowing you to cook everything from rich broths to hearty soups, stews, and chili with ease. Whether you're making your family's favorite chicken soup, clam chowder, or preparing a large batch of chili for your next gathering, the KitchenAid Stainless Steel 8-quart stockpot is the versatile cookware you've been looking for. Combining innovative features and durable materials, this stockpot helps you create mouthwatering meals every time. Let's break down the standout features of this amazing stockpot and explore why it should be a permanent fixture in your kitchen. Key features of the KitchenAid Stainless Steel Stockpot with Lid, 8-quart. Number 1. Quick, even heating for superior cooking. The KitchenAid 8-quart stockpot is crafted from high-quality stainless steel with an aluminum core base. This aluminum core is designed to distribute heat quickly and evenly, preventing hot spots and ensuring that your ingredients cook uniformly. Whether you're making a delicate vegetable broth or a rich beef stew, you can count on this stockpot to deliver consistent results every time. Even heat distribution helps you achieve perfect cooking temperatures, whether you're slow simmering a soup or boiling a large batch of pasta. Number 2. Silicone Grip Handles for maximum comfort. When it comes to handling hot cookware, safety and comfort are paramount. The KitchenAid stockpot features dual riveted handles that are coated with silicone grips, offering a cooler touch and a more comfortable grip compared to traditional all-steel handles. These handles allow you to comfortably lift and move the pot even when it's hot, preventing burns and ensuring safe handling. Number 3. Shatter-Resistant Glass Lid for superior cooking control. One of the standout features of the KitchenAid stockpot is its shatter-resistant tempered glass lid. This lid seals in heat and moisture, helping to create rich, flavorful dishes. Whether you're making a hearty chili, simmering a stock, or boiling pasta, the glass lid lets you easily monitor your cooking progress without needing to remove the lid and lose heat. Plus, the transparent design adds a touch of elegance to your cooking experience. Number 4. Easy to clean with Dishwasher Safe design. Let's face it, cleaning up after cooking can often be a hassle, especially when you're dealing with large pots hands. Luckily, the KitchenAid Stainless Steel Stockpot is dishwasher safe, making it easier to clean up after a big meal. No more scrubbing away food residue by hand or worrying about damaging your cookware. Simply place it in the dishwasher, and it will come out looking as good as new. Number 5. Induction Compatible and Oven Safe. Up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. No matter what cooktop you have at home, the KitchenAid stockpot is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and glass top ranges. The aluminum core in the base ensures that the stockpot will work effectively with induction cooktops, providing even heating and reliable cooking results. Additionally, this stockpot is oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to transfer it directly from the stovetop to the oven without worrying about damaging it. Whether you're finishing off a dish under the broiler or keeping your meal warm in the oven, the KitchenAid stockpot has you covered. Number 6. Perfectly sized, 8-quart capacity for large meals. With an 8-quart capacity, this KitchenAid stockpot is the perfect size for making large batches of your favorite meals. Whether you're cooking for a family, preparing a party dish, or just meal prepping for the week, the 8-quart capacity allows you to cook ample portions with ease. Its large size ensures that you can prepare everything from soups and stews to pasta, chili, and even boiled lobsters for a special occasion. Why you'll love the KitchenAid Stainless Steel Stockpot. Durable and long-lasting. Made from high-quality materials, the KitchenAid Stainless Steel Stockpot is designed to withstand years of use. The durable stainless steel construction, combined with the shatter-resistant glass lid, ensures that this stockpot will continue to perform well even after frequent use. Beautiful design. The brushed stainless steel exterior gives the KitchenAid stockpot a sleek, modern look that will complement any kitchen decor. Whether you're cooking for yourself or hosting a dinner party, this pot is as stylish as it is functional. A kitchen essential. From making broth to preparing stews, simmering chili, or boiling pasta, the KitchenAid 8-quart Stockpot is a must-have piece of cookware. It's perfect for those who love to cook large meals or entertain guests with flavorful, home-cooked dishes. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.